Hi there, my name is Thato Mayongo, and on this channel we talk all things beauty, vlogging, makeup and lifestyle. So if that's something that you like to watch, then please do subscribe. And I just want to say thank you to my regular watchers. Thank you so much for supporting me. And thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. So obviously with traditional makeup looks, we know that it is very simple. There's not too much going on, not too much color. It's just nice and elegant. So I'm just gonna play around with some browns, very simple, and a nude lip. Njani. So it is ngalombala, this brown, and then you take a nice big fluffy brush, you just dab it in, and I have already prepped my eyebrows. So I put some concealer and then I set it with some baking powder. So that is just to ensure that your colors are more vibrant and that they don't move around. So I'm taking that brown and I'm just gonna apply it all over the lid. We're not doing anything too dramatic namhlanje. Let me know down in the comment section, who are you? What are you? UmXhosa, umZulu, umSwati, umSotho, Ndebele, waseVenda. I would be so interested to know, and just to get to know you guys a bit better. So if ningayazi, if it's your first time watching the umXhosa mna, but ke ndizithetha zonke, Xhosa, Sotho, Zulu. So I think I am happy with how the eyes are looking. Just to maybe darken it up a bit, so Tata Lombala, it's a bit darker. And then Zaifaka nje in the corner of the eyes, just to create some shadow and just to darken it a bit. Sort of like a smoky eye, but not really. So yeah, do you guys actually celebrate Heritage Day? I'd love to know. Do you like dress up, or it's a public holiday where too you can just rest and do nothing and braai? And Tina Banda Bamnyama, we have so much potential to be great, and that is what the world is scared of. Things will shake, things will move, you know. Because this is a traditional makeup look, I really am not going to put any lashes on. I feel like I am Walonde Makai or anywhere else, unless izinto sezitshintshile, but omama badala. So ngizawufaka nje i-mascara. So this one is from Yardley Multi-Effect Mascara. I still struggle with mascara. I still get it on my lids sometimes, but Betty, you must throw your head back, look up, and just to make your lashes longer, just apply a few more coats until zilulek. Okay, siqibile. So I'm going to put some Fit Me foundation. I'm going to mix these two colors because it gives me my perfect shade. Guys, honestly, you guys should get some Fit Me products. They are amazing, and I would not lie, I love the foundation, the concealer. It's one of my favorites. So if you have tried it, good for you, girl. You know what's up. So just mix it on the back. And we don't want a cakey look, we want a very airy, very fresh look. This foundation is perfect if you want a very nice lightweight look but dewy at the same time. Do you guys see how beautiful that finish is? Oh my gosh. My skin literally looks like glass. Don't forget your ears because you don't want to be wearing a mask. Now we're going to conceal these Gucci bags, darling, and we're going to contour with Fit Me concealers. That is right. So I love this concealer because it is so creamy and it really sits well with my undertone. So it has a yellow undertone, which that's the concealer that I like, and it really does brighten underneath the eye, and it actually smells nice. So you know, it's a plus. I feel like I could have gone darker with this concealer, but okay, we're here now, so just have to make do. So we'll start with the concealer. And just want to blend that really nicely. I'm going to take my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder and I'm going to set that concealer so that it doesn't crease and leave lines underneath your eyes. I'm gonna contour with my Essence Shape Your Face contouring palette. This is the one. It's almost finished. Naruba doesn't move around or cake or anything like that. I'm gonna take my Master Strobing Stick from Maybelline, and this is the Dark Gold 300. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush, put it on the brush like that, and then highlight my face. Because this is a traditional look, we want very subtle highlighter. Obviously, a highlighter is something new, and they don't use it. So I'm going to use my matte blush, and this is In Love Joy. You guys have seen me use this quite a couple of times on my channel. I'm also going to apply it with a small brush because I don't want a lot. Just a little bit. Now for the lips, I'm going to take this Essence. It's an eyebrow pencil, but I'm going to use it for my lips to line them. Then I'm going to take this MAC lipstick, and it is Velvet Teddy. It's a nude lipstick. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution setting spray to lock that. Phew. Wow, immense. So you just want to dab that. Aska baby, no. So awusika intombi yakwaMayongo akasemhle. Okay guys, I'll be back. I'm going to put on umbhaco wami and I'll see you guys shortly. Benifuna unibonisa i-outfit yami. Semhle umbhaco wami ke lo. Mampila, Hlubi, noLandwi, noChachela, zala kulandela. Ewe, ndimlo. The final outfit. Oh my gosh, guys. Getting this thing on was so difficult. Nebona ne makeup yami was starting to smash a bit, but it's okay. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you embrace your culture, embrace your heritage, embrace where you are from. We are truly blessed to have such a beautiful culture, and I hope you guys are really proud of where you come from. Our subscriber for the week goes to Miss Lady K Makwedi. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you guys would like to do the same, then hit the red button down below. It is free of charge. I promise you, you only have to use your data to watch my videos. And that is why for my 500 subscriber giveaway, I'm giving you guys 5 gigs of data so you can carry on watching my videos and of course supporting other local YouTubers. All you have to do is, number 1, be subscribed to this channel. Number 2, you have to like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And number 3, comment down below with your culture, your heritage. Are you Xhosa? Are you Sotho? Are you Venda? Anything like that in the comment section below. The giveaway winner will be announced probably at the end of the month. So the last video that I post for September, I will announce the giveaway winner. Thank you guys so much for watching. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup. If you guys really enjoyed this video, then please continue watching more of my videos here on the screen.